Hello students, I am Ms. Mishra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today I will revise most interesting topic that is called cubes and cube roots. First of all, I will explain cube. Dear students, as you know, cube is a three-dimensional solid. Cube, a three-dimensional solid in which length, width and height are equal. Solid in which length, width and height are equal called cube. After this, if we find out volume of a cube, then I will multiply side three times side into side and we get the volume of a cube. Volume of cube equal volume of cube equal side into side into side. So dear students, as you know, volume of the cube and out after multiplying its side in three times. So if you want to find out cube of any number, then how I will find cube of any number? I will multiply that number in three times. Suppose that you have to find out cube of 3. Cube of 3. Then we will written as 3 cube and it will be 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 3 multiply 3 equals to 7. So cube of 3 is 27 and 27 is a perfect cube. I will say that 27 is a perfect cube and 27 is the perfect cube and it obtained by multiplying 3 in 3 times. Now I will define properties of cube. What is properties of cube? Properties of cubes. Properties of cube. Properties of cube. What is the property of cube? What is the property of cubes? First property of cube is if you multiply even number in 3 times, then we get a even number. It means cube of even number is even number. Let us suppose that 2. 2 is even number. If you multiply 2 in 3 times, 2 into 2, then we get 8. It means 2 cube equal 8. 2 is even number and cube of 2 is 8. 8 is also even number. It means that cube of even number is even number. Now I'll take another example. 6. If you multiply 6 in 3 times, 6 into 6 into 6, we get cube of 6 and cube of 6 will be 216. 6 is the 36, 36 is the 216. Here we see that 6 as even number and cube of 6, if 216 is also even number, it means cube of even number is even number. Now what is the next property of cubes? Next property is cube of numbers is odd number. Cube of odd number is odd number. Let us suppose that 3. 3 is odd number and cube of 3 will be 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 equal 27. Cube of 3 is 27. 27 is odd number. So cube of odd number is odd number. Now if you take another example, suppose that 5 and cube of 5 will be 5 multiplied 5 multiplied 5 and we get 125. 5 is odd number and cube of 5 is 25. 25 is also odd number. So cube of odd number is odd number. Now next is cube of negative integer is negative integer. Cube of negative natural number or any number is negative. Cube of negative natural number is negative natural number. If take x, a number that is you take minus x. Minus x is negative and cube of minus x will be minus x cube, and when you multiply minus x into minus x we get minus x cube. Because when you multiply by minus will be positive and positive multiplied by negative will be negative, so it will be minus x cube. So negative of any number is cube of any negative number is negative number. Suppose that it takes minus 2. Cube of minus 2, what will be minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2 will be minus 8. So cube of any negative number is negative number. Now I will find out which number is cube and which number is not cube. I will explain which number is perfect cube and which number is not perfect cube. For finding or check which number is perfect cube and which number is not perfect cube, first of all I will find out prime factorization of that number. And after prime factorization we find that prime factor all factor is in triple, then number is a perfect cube. If any prime factor is left, then that number is not perfect cube. So first of all I will find out prime factorization of any number and make triple of any number. So if you take an example, suppose this is 260 and you have to find out this number is perfect cube or not. Then first of all I will find out prime factorization of 216. Here you see that at one place is 6, that is even number, so it will be divided by 2. Then first of all I will divide this by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. After this I will divide 108 by 2. 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14. Now 3 9 are 27, 3 3 are 9, and 3 1 are 3. Then prime factor of 216 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. You see that this is 2 is also triple, 3 is also triple. So 216 is a perfect cube. Now I will divide this exercise based on the cube and cube roots. Exercise 9.1, question number 1. Exercise 9.1, question number 1. Question number 1 is, find the cubes of the following. Find the cubes of the following. First number is 5, and second number is 20, third number is 3 by 5, and fourth number is minus 1 by 7. Now I will find the cube of 5. Then first of all I will multiply 5 in 3 times. Therefore 5 cube equal 5 into 5 into 5. Then it will be 125. So the cube of 5 will be 125. Now second is 20. 20 cube equal 20 multiply 20 multiply 20. 20 multiply 20 will be 400, and 400 multiplied by 20 will be 8000. So cube of 20 will be 8000. Now third number is 3 by 5. This is fraction. Then find the cube of this fraction 3 by 5. Then I will multiply 3 by 5 also in 3 times. Then it will be 3 by 5 multiply 3 by 5 multiply 3 by 5. First of all I will multiply numerator. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. Then it will be 27 upon 5 multiply 5 25. 25 multiplied by 5 125. So cube of 3 by 5 will be 27 upon 125. Now fourth is minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7. Now I will multiply minus 1 by 7 3 times. Then it will be minus 1 by 7 multiply minus 1 by 7 minus multiply 1 by 7. When you multiply minus 1 by minus 1, we get 1, because product of two negative integer is product of two negative sign is positive. So here will be positive sign, and positive sign multiplied by minus sign will be negative sign. Therefore it will be minus 1 upon 7 7 is 49, 49 multiplied by 7 will be 9 multiplied by 7. 7 9 is 63, 3 5 6, 7 4 is 28, 28 plus 6 340, 34. So there it will be 343. So if you multiply negative cube of any negative integer, and it is minus 1 upon 343. Now next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is find by prime factorization whether the following are perfect cube. First part is 216. We have to find out this number is perfect cube or not. Then first of all, I will find the prime factorization of 216. 216 into divided by 2. 2 1 are 2 and 2 8 are 16. Now 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. Now 2 2 are 4, 2 7 are 14. And 27 divided by 3, then it will 3 9 are 27 and 3 3 are 9 and 3 1 are 3. Therefore 216 prime factorization of 216 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. You see that all the factor of 216 is triple, so 216 is perfect cube. So I hope that all this question is clear to you. So dear students, I hope that you can do all these type of question very easily. Next video I will express other question. Thank you so much.